everyone, welcome to Toys and Family Adventure. Today we're gonna make our own popsicle. First, I am gonna wipe these up, so I'm cleaning them up.
Are you gonna use them for your own popsicle?
Yes.
Good. So did you wash them first? And now you're cleaning up. Good job. So later we're going to show them the ingredients on the flavors of the popsicles that you wanted to make, right?
Yeah, guys. Okay, guys. Now I'm going to get Rero. Okay, stay there, guys. I'm going to get Rero. Rero, it's time to make popsicles. You're ready. Yes, I'm ready. Okay.
Oh, you're ready. Hep, hep, hep. Wash your hands first, guys. Okay, 5, 4, 3, let's wash.
Welcome to our channel. Hey. Choco.
Yep. Can you mix it, Rero?
Okay.
You want to mix it?
I can mix it, please. Okay, I can mix it now.
So that's your milk, cocoa,
Ooh, yummy. Chocolate.
Hershey's chocolate melted.
Okay, can you help me mix it? No, Rero.
So there's no more fire, so it's, there you go. Now we just have to, Rero. You want to mix it, Rero? Now we just have to wait for it to get cold. So what's the next flavor, Angel? It's Oreo popsicle.
Ice cream.
Rero, wait for your turn. We don't want to drop the fresh one. Harry's turn? Come on. Okay, careful. Perfect. Now we can put it in our molder. Okay, Oreo would be what? Do you like it blue?
Yes.
Okay.
Next flavor is gonna be Capri-Sun. And blueberry.
It's fruit punch.
Oh, I mean fruit punch. Oh.
Alright, put some blueberry on your molder.
Okay, put the blueberry on the molder, please. Okay, take some of the blueberry.
But
Okay,
my
take some
hand. No, I don't like it. It's so big.
Don't worry, you can have the small one.
See, it's gonna be so big.
Go ahead, Ate. You can do it.
Don't worry, I'll teach you. Take the small blueberry over here and then drop it.
Hi, Kylie and Rachel.
Yes?
Hi, Kuya Riro. Can you help Rachel put some blueberry on it?
Hi, Kylie and Rachel.
Yes? What do you want?
Hi, Kylie and Rachel.
What do you want?
I'm making some blueberries.
He wants to help you. That's what he wants.
You.
There you guys, great job.
Okay.
Are you almost done, Rachel?
Yes. Whoops, that's enough.
All right, pour some more.
And move it just short as well.
Mm-hmm. There's one more there.
Okay.
Fill it up. Good job.
We don't have more.
There, Rita has some more.
Oh.
Nice and slow. Is everything filled up?
No.
All right. Ate, can you help Rocky?
Don't worry. I can fix this.
Close it. Okay, big brother.
Okay.
And
sure
you got the
like
fruit punch blueberry popsicle. Thanks, Riro.
I'm much on me.
All right, ready for the next flavor?
Yes.
What is it?
It's strawberry.
Ooh.
Okay, press this one. Go, Ranger. Go. Press it. One. Press
scared.
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay.
I'm scared.
No
Press
running,
this
it's just
one.
a sound.
You ready? Press it.
We need a grown up, huh?
Go, go.
Oh, so what do you think? Do you like it?
Yes.
It's a cookies and cream popsicle. Can you try it?
Yes.
My popsicle?
Yeah? Alright, go ahead. Go ahead and sit down. I'll go get yours. Do you like it?
It tastes like Oreo.
It's like Oreo. What do you got, Rio?
Can you wash it?
Here. That's the fruit punch.
Can you fruit punch?
Fruit punch blueberry.
And cookies and cream blueberry.
Which one is your favorite?
And cookies and well. Cookies and cream.
Cookies and cream.
Okay, guys, that's how you make some popsicles.
And what flavor do you got? What is that?
Strawberry.
You want to join reroing, Rocky?
Really tasty. It's good. Hey, Rero, can I try the fruit punch? Yes. Okay. Mommy, try.
We can get from the freezer, Rachel.
It's goodies. Yummy.
What do you think?
Good. I mean, you can try one.
Try one, Mama.
Thank you, guys. I'll have some later, okay?
I'm gonna eat one.
You want to say bye?
Bye.
Home popsicle. Let's make a home popsicle.
That's how you can make your own popsicle.
Cheers. I got a strawberry smoothie. It's a smoothie. That tastes great.
What do you think? Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.